If your Google Chrome search bar color looks wrong, stuck, blurry, or just not matching the rest of your browser, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Chrome search bar color step by step using a few simple troubleshooting methods. This is a great fix if Chrome recently changed appearance, a theme glitch is causing weird colors, or an extension is interfering with how the browser looks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and Chrome tutorials. Let's get into it. First, start with the simplest fix, which is restarting Google Chrome. Completely close Chrome, make sure it's fully shut down, and then open it again. Sometimes a temporary theme glitch or display bug can affect the search bar color, and a simple restart is enough to refresh everything. If the color still looks off after reopening Chrome, move on to the next step. Now let's change the Chrome theme. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Appearance. From there, look for the theme option and select a different color or theme. If you're already using a custom theme, switching to another one can help reset the appearance. If you want, you can even return to a more default looking theme to see if that fixes the search bar color. After changing the theme, check whether the color issue is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing to try is disabling hardware acceleration. Go back into Settings, then click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn it off. Then click Relaunch when Chrome asks you to restart. This is important because GPU rendering bugs can sometimes affect how Chrome colors are displayed, including the search bar. Once Chrome reopens, check whether the color has returned to normal. Another common cause is a theme extension. Some browser extensions can override Chrome's default colors and cause appearance problems. To check this, click the three dots again. Go to Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. Review the extensions you have installed, especially anything related to themes, dark mode, color customization, or visual styling. Disable any extensions that might be changing Chrome's appearance. After turning them off, refresh Chrome and see if the search bar color is fixed. If none of those steps work, the next option is to reset Chrome settings. This is one of the most effective ways to remove broken appearance settings without deleting all your data. Go to Settings again, then scroll down and click Reset Settings. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults, then click Reset Settings to confirm. This will remove custom browser changes that may be causing the search bar color issue. After the reset completes, open Chrome and check the appearance again. By now, one of these methods should have fixed the Google Chrome search bar color. In most cases, the issue comes from a theme, an extension, hardware acceleration, or a corrupted setting, so these steps usually solve it pretty quickly. If the fix worked for you, let me know in the comments which step did it. And if you want more easy computer troubleshooting videos, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.